spectacular 4-bedroom/3.5 bath home in sought-after Green Acres. Lots of updates. Kitchen completely remodeled. New cabinets, granite, stainless, gas cooktop. Open floor plan with cathedral ceiling in family room west/gas logs. Large master bedroom on main level with upgraded master bath, lots of closet space. Large deck west/new decking and stain, ready to entertain. Handicapped accessible bath on main level with walk-in shower. Basement with bedroom and bath and bonus, great for kids or man cave. Large garage, wired workshop.